Hello everyone. If you've ever handed your Samsung A27 to someone for just a moment and worried that they might open your private apps, then this video is exactly what you need. Most Samsung users don't know that there are ways to add an extra layer of protection to their apps. It's also worth mentioning that the Samsung A27 has a secure folder feature, but the problem is that it doesn't actually lock your existing apps. Instead, it creates copies of them, while the original apps on your home screen remain completely accessible and unlocked. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to truly lock apps on your Samsung A27 so that only you can access them. No confusing methods or unnecessary steps, just a simple solution that actually works. So let's get started and make your Samsung A27 more private and secure.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.